Hi there all the DJs, this is DJ Kavish and here I am at the Warehouse DJ Academy, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing, or you can call it as a quick unwrapping of this amazing gadget which is very important for every DJ out there. Yes, this is an USB pen drive by SanDisk and it has the capacity of 128 GB. And in this video I will also tell you why this pen drive is important for all the DJs out there and how to format this pen drive. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Friends, as you can see, I have bought this package from Amazon and I must tell you that I have lots and lots of pen drives, but I like the pen drives by the company called SanDisk. No, this video is not at all sponsored by SanDisk. It is just my personal view and experience in this field, as I have been DJing from past 15 years. I think SanDisk knows that how to build a robust pen drive, and as you know that we DJs required something which is fast and easy to access, and something which can hold our tracks and can give us the speed when we try to use them on our Pioneer C DJs. So friends, now it's time that we should cut this packaging, and let's cut it from the top. All right, and you can see inside is a bill, of course, the invoice, and here you can see that we have this Ultra Flare SanDisk pen drive, USB 3.0, and it has the capacity of 128 GB. And I bought this pen drive from Amazon at 1595, but the MRP you can see here is 2650 rupees. I think I got a good deal from Amazon. So now it's time to open this packaging. Let me cut it from here. As you can see that we also get the marking to cut from your scissor. So let's cut it from here. And we have this amazing fast speed pen drive here. So why this pen drive is important? Because when you try to copy any playlist from your record box collection, which not only has tracks but also has metadata of the track. So if you have a USB 3.0 pen drive, then copying becomes faster than a usual 2.0 pen drive. And due to the fast speed, this pen drive can save you a lot of time, and you can quickly access your tracks and load them into the pen drive and play them on your C DJs. So friends, if you are using Windows and Mac OS at the same time, then I would recommend you to please format this pen drive at FAT32, because Windows and Mac both can access this file format, which is FAT32. So there you go, this was the quick unboxing of this amazing pen drive by SanDisk, or you can call it as a quick unwrapping of this amazing pen drive by SanDisk. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. This is DJ Kavish signing out. Yo.